Hi, today we are going to discuss about distributive law. If a comma b comma c belongs to Q, then a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. If a equals to 1 by 2, b equals to 2 by 3, c equal to 3 by 4, then 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 1 by 2. Here the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9. 8 plus 9 by 12 equals to 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 1 is 1. 1 3s are 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 3s are 3. 2 4s are 8. 1 by 2 into 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17 by 12 equals to the LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. So 8 1 is 8 plus 3 1 is 3 3s are 9. 8 plus 9 by 24. 17 1 is 17. 12 2 is 24. 8 plus 9 is 17 by 24. Here LHS equals to RHS. So the distributive law for rational numbers is possible. Here LHS is equals to RHS. So distributive law is possible for rational numbers.